What is up, beautiful people? Welcome once again to Clothing. Welcome to another wonderful tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to make this beautiful blouse here. It's a four-piece blouse with flaring out on the side. It has beadwork, embellishment, and everything good. Let's dive right in. For our four-piece blouse with flaring out on the sides, we are going to first of all start from our front bodice pattern, connect the shoulder darts to the waist dart so that you can form a style line. This style line is called the shoulder princess dart style line. That's the technique we're going to use for the pattern. After connecting with your French curve, you want to go ahead to do the bust side, do the other side. Once you're done connecting the points, the next thing you do is slash through that middle line, slash from the bottom all the way to where the shoulder dart stops, and then close up the shoulder darts. You are transferring the fullness of the shoulder dart into the waist. That will help make the pattern come out nice, sit well. Also redraw the shoulder line, and now you just want to begin cutting out all the patterns. Cut out the shoulder, the neck, and then do the bust area. So the front pattern is ready. All we now need to do is cut out the darts. I had to close the shoulder dart so that I'll be able to align this shoulder here and then cut the neckline. This neck has a collar, so okay, so we'll cut two pieces of this, two pieces of this. This one will be separate because of the zip in front. Let's quickly do the back. I'll be connecting these lines together here, and I'll also draw it all the way down. All right, so what we're going to do is now put panels that's like 3 inches, 3 inches addition to these panels to give you that fit. So let's quickly do that. Here are the patterns that have been cut for both the front patterns, the back patterns on the fabric, the hairstay, and the lining. So I attached the flaring out that will give it that 6 pieces effect here from the waistline to the bottom. At the bottom, I measured 3 inches and then connected a triangle, and you just want to curve it. Don't make it sharp, curve it. Okay, so for the center front, it was just on the inseam. The side that has the zip, you don't put any flaring out. For the side front, you do it on both sides, the inseam and the side seam. 3 inches, 3 inches connected to the waistline. For the back, I didn't put it at all on that part. So if your back has a fold, if your back was cotton fold, then it's fine. But because me, I want to do that snatch of the zipper, that's why I have this marker. So I just flared out on the inseam of the center back pattern, and then on the side back pattern I have two flaring out, 3 inches, 3 inches. You can actually do 2.5 if 3 inches would be too much. So now we just want to start joining up all the patterns. We'll start first from the front, join along the inseams. I'm joining all the main fabric pieces together, all the lining pieces together. So that's the technique I'll use. Install the zipper, put in the collar, and all of that. So let's get to work. So 1/2 inch along the inseam. So this is how it will come out. You iron it in place. All right, guys. So we have gotten to this stage. We have done sewn the bodies, infused the lining, as well as made the zipper there and the sleeve. So we just want to start putting in the neck detail. I just cut these shapes from the Ankara fabric, so I will start placing, pinning, and then I will tack it to the bodies. That's where the sewing is going to be on. So let's quickly do that. Let's just hold it in place. So we'll take it to the machine and sew. Okay, so here we have the pins, those triangular pieces from the fabric, the patterns. Let me show you what I mean. I just cut it out from the fabric this way and then ironed paper stay to it, folded this edge here and here, and then pinned it this way. So it's going to be sturdy. Now I will use either a hand needle to tack it down or just go to the sewing machine and sew it since it will still be beaded there. And then this is the collar that will go to the neck area. Once you're done, I'll just trim off this pointy part along the neck and impute the collar, then go on to do the beading work, and we'll be seeing the finished result in just a minute. Let me know what you think about this top. So far so good, it's really looking pretty already. Let's go and complete and wrap this up. Here is the finished look of a beautiful four-piece blouse. Collar, zipper, fully lined, beadwork, stoning, everything good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe and like, and see you in our next tutorial.